Hi guys, welcome back to What's Cooking today on Perfect Eats. If you guys are new here, my name is Emma and I make easy breezy recipes for those of you guys who are new to cooking. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite recipes, and this is the Paru with Sambal Balado. This is essentially fried beef lungs cooked with Indonesian style sambal. To simplify this recipe, we will be using pre-marinated beef lungs. You can easily find them in any supermarkets. To make our sambal, we are going to use 4 pieces of shallots, 4 cloves of garlic, 2 pieces of red chili, 1 tomato, and 2 to 3 pieces of kaffir lime leaves. Let's prepare the ingredients for the sambal first. Roughly chop up all the ingredients that we need and transfer them into a blender. If you own a mortar and pestle at home, that'd be perfect because a traditional sambal is actually made by pounding all of the ingredients together. But because this is a simplified recipe, we will be blending it instead. As we leave that aside, we are going to fry the marinated beef lungs first. I chose to deep fry the marinated beef lungs in around 5 minutes or so before we toss them out and drain the excess oil. Now let's work with our sambal. Reduce the amount of oil and let's fry this for at least 5 minutes. Personally, I like to have my Sambal Balado a little bit more rustic and a little bit more texture. So if you like to have a finer consistency, it's entirely up to you. As we continue to fry, we can start adding in the kaffir lime leaves, and this is to give out the citrus aroma. What I like about Sambal Balado is not only that it is spicy and tangy, it is also sweet. So I've added in 2 tablespoons of sugar and followed by 2 teaspoons of salt. Be sure you give a taste of the sambal before we start adding in the fried beef lungs that we've prepared earlier, and it's time to give a good toss. Now it's all come together, and this is how you prepare a Paru Sambal Balado. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and if you'd like to check out more of our quick and simple recipes, be sure to follow us and subscribe to our channel at Perfect Eats. Thank you for watching. Bye guys!